So there's a big problem with using autonomous agents such as Hermes and OpenClaw. And don't get me wrong, I love using them. I'll have 10, 15 parallel threads happening at once, probably even more than that. But what tends to happen is you start to get lost because you start to forget what you're working on, or you end up restarting from scratch again. And sometimes you end up duplicating work and it just confuses the whole system and it makes work very inefficient for you. So if you want to know the secret to working much more successfully and growing your business a lot faster with these autonomous agents, you have to go through this video, because I found just the right solution for this. It's great. So let's just take a look at my Hermes inside of Slack right now. I love using Slack because it can be multiplayer and multiple people can talk to it. So literally today, you can see I ran an interview here for the YouTube packaging that this YouTube video came from this packaging over here, right? So it took 32 replies here. And then this is the MLC for something over here. Oh, we're looking to cut costs over here, and it's connecting to different APIs. I'm also using the Apollo API to invite people for a 9-10 figure AI operator dinner in New York. And so it's working there. The problem is I don't have just these 3 threads going on. Like I could be on the go. I could be at the gym. I could be on my treadmill or whatever it is. And then I'm just dictating it to it the whole time. And so at any given time or any given day, I can have 10 or 15 of these threads. And you can see that even though I could thread these and I can just continue to work within that thread and keep the context there, which is really helpful, it's still not good enough, because for me as a human, it's hard for me to maintain that context, right? And so when you think about how Claude Code or how the Codex apps are designed, I've always wanted something like that for my Hermes agent as an example, right? And so Hermes is still very helpful. Like I look at, I still use Codex, I still use Claude Code, but the question has always been, how do you maintain this context so you can truly compound your work? So a lot of AI YouTubers will talk about, oh, you got to use Discord when you're using Hermes or OpenClaw, right? And okay, sure, that's great, but how are you going to make it multiplayer when your people actually work inside of Slack for your company? So Slack is obviously the highest leverage one, if you're assuming your team is using Slack. Oh, you got to use Telegram, it's good for privacy, it has all these tables and you can have different topics in there. That's great, but are you just going to tell your entire team to move over to Telegram? Probably not. Now, oh, you can now use iMessage for it. iMessage is great. Well, great. You've just handicapped a lot of the features. Like iMessage might be good for kind of firing one-offs, but if you're looking to do real work, Slack was the best option until now. That is until Hermes came out with the Hermes Desktop App. So I'm going to show you a little bit inside in terms of how it's working, and you'll quickly see why this is such a game changer. Forget all the new features with Hermes that it's launching all the time. I think they're doing a great job with shipping. By the way, if you're enjoying this video and you want to build a single brain that compounds with your business, well, we build managed marketing brains that live inside of your Slack and your Microsoft Teams. And what happens is you have your connectors, maybe you have Gong, maybe you have HubSpot, maybe you have your different marketing analytics tools, and then we have our workflows as well, and we work with your team, and then we compound whatever it is that you're looking to build. Let's say you want to build something like an ad creative agent that scales out your creatives a lot faster. Maybe you want to build an outbound agent that scales that out a lot faster. Really no limit to what we're able to do. So we think about this as managed revenue agents that compound with your business. And it is also building that single brain as well, that company brain that also compounds with your business. So check it out, Single Brain. That's Single Brain with the B, and we'll see you on the other side. So if we take a look at my Hermes app over here, you can see that, by the way, I had my left sidebar over here. It was completely disorganized. It had a bunch of different sessions in there. All I did was I was like, hey, organize and categorize my sessions on the left, and I want you to put the higher priorities higher. So you can see there's P0s. We have CFO spending. We have there's like some HubSpot stuff we have. There's a pre-meeting agent cron that we have going on, or pre-meeting context cron, and which is super helpful. It's not just like it looks at my calendar and tells me what's coming up. It looks at all the connectors that I have, and then it gives me a complete solution in terms of what I should be doing and preparing me ahead of these meetings. So if I'm filled with context, then that means I can ask better questions. If I'm better prepared, what is it going to do? It's going to increase my conversion rates, right? It's going to lead to the next meeting. It's going to keep moving the ball forward, right? Or we have all this like pod of one training. This we have all this other stuff that we're working on over here. So you can see I can decide where I want to focus my efforts. So that's cool, because you can have these different sessions and you can pin them, and it'll tell you what needs follow up from you and what doesn't. So this is no different than what Claude Code has. This is no different than what Codex has. Hermes just copied the model, and literally that's all you needed to do. And the other challenge that I have too with my Hermes is that I tend to forget a lot of the skills that I have. So there's a skill section over here where you can see they have a lot of skills in here, and you can basically you can search skills if you want, and it's easier for me to manage the skills that I have. There's also different artifacts that you can click on. So maybe there's new pages that you made, maybe there's new images that you made, new creatives that you made. You can have them in here and you can search the sessions. And so it wasn't easy for me to do inside of Slack. It's cool to have my team collaborating with the different agents that I have based on the different connectors that I have, and the memory as a company continues to compound. But when I want to do solo work, when I want to do work where I don't forget things, well, this is helpful for me. And the other thing is I actually use Hermes to build something called a resolver. And what the resolver does is they'll look at my codex, it'll look at my Cloud code, it'll also look at my Hermes, and it'll look at all the work that I did throughout the day. And some work might be duplicate work. And then it'll figure out, okay, well, based on the work that you've done, this seems to be the highest priority. It seems like you should keep some of the content, or some of the work. You should keep some of it. Maybe you should consolidate some of it. Maybe you should delete some of it. But the key thing is that it keeps me more focused. And for me, someone that likes to do a lot of different things at once, this has been a game changer. So I've been waiting for them to launch something like this. I think a lot of people like to talk about like all the new features that Hermes has. I just think if you're from a business standpoint, if you're just using Hermes Desktop, you're using Codex, you're using Cloud Code, and you're just constantly thinking about, hey, maybe the latest version of Mythos or Fable, whatever it is that you're using, and you're staying on top of the latest open source models, and you're trying all these new tools all the time, I think you're going to be just fine. Because even if you get a couple of these things out per week for yourself, you're just adding all the scaffolding. It's just going to make you a lot faster. My struggle again was that it was just I was getting lost all the time. Every single day I was getting lost. I was like, I'll go into different threads inside of Slack, Hermes, and be like, oh, can you tell me in one sentence what we're working on here and what next steps are? And I'll just keep spamming that for all the chats that I had. And sometimes, again, I had 20 chats, and maybe I might go on vacation. I might have 20 chats from Sunday, maybe 15 chats from the Saturday before, and then Friday before that, maybe 10 chats. And then all of a sudden, before you know it, you have like 200 chats. And the harsh reality is maybe 50% of them are all kind of related to each other, or maybe you've done that work. So you're doing a lot of this redundant work, and it's harder for you to compound when you're getting mired in all this. So it's hard for you to compound when you are redoing the same work over and over. So if you enjoyed this video, just go ahead and check out the next one, and we'll see you on the other side.